Not by power, not by might, but by the Spirit. But by my Spirit, says the Lord. You are thinking for God. Stop thinking for God. You know that the power, you know that the might. But you are thinking for God. You know that the power, you know that the might. Stop thinking for God. How will I get married? You are thinking for God. I said to you, stop thinking for God. You know that power, you know that stop thinking for God. How will I get money? You are thinking for God. How will I get together? You are thinking for God. You know that the power, you know that the might. Yet you are thinking for God. You know that the power, you know that the might. Stop thinking for God. You are thinking for God. Stop thinking for God. Tell your brother, you know get the power, you know get the might. Stop thinking for God. You know get the power, you know get the might. Stop thinking for God. You are thinking for God. Stop thinking for God. You know get the power, you know get the might, but you are thinking for God. You know get the power, you know get the might. Stop thinking for God. I'm not getting married. You are thinking for God. Stop thinking for God. You know get the power, you know get the might, but you are thinking for God. You know get the power. You are just for nothing, my brother. Thinking for God. Okay, this one. Get this one. Stop thinking for God. Focus on the mountain mover. What the mountain step aside. On the mountain mover. What the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain mover. What the mountain step aside. What the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain mover. And what the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain mover. What the mountain step aside. What the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain mover. What your mountain? What the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain mover. I want to get married. What the mountain step aside. I don't have money. Focus what the mountain step aside. I don't have job. Focus on the mountain mover. I don't have work. What the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain. The substance of things of far and the evidence of things unseen. Focus on the mountain mover. And what the mountain step aside. Focus on the mountain mover. Hey, what the mountain step aside. What the mountain step aside. Focus on